Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use OPENART AI trial credits. If you're just getting started with OPENART, these credits are what let you try out different tools without committing to a paid plan. Right away, I'll walk you through where to find your balance, how to check usage, and where you'll actually spend those credits inside the suite, so you can make the most of your trial. These credits are perfect for experimenting with different AI features, whether that's generating images, creating animations, or testing styles, without worrying about paying until you're ready. First, head to the OPENART Suite homepage. This is your main hub, and it's where your credit balance is always visible. Look to the top right of the screen for the credit counter, next to a small diamond icon. That's your quick snapshot of how many trial credits you have left. At any moment, go ahead and click that area to open the credit panel. Here, you can see not only your remaining balance, but also a simple view of where credits are being used inside the platform. This breakdown helps you understand which actions consume credits the fastest, so you can plan your experiments more efficiently. For example, knowing that high-resolution image generations or longer video renders use more credits lets you save your balance for the outputs that matter most. From the Home Hub, navigate to the Video area. This opens the Video Animation and Generation workspace. On this page, you'll notice your credit information stays accessible, and you'll often see indicators or notes about how many credits certain actions require before you run them. Use those cues to decide the best settings for your test. Higher quality outputs typically use more credits, while shorter or lighter settings are more budget-friendly. If you're exploring, start simple. Review the results, and then refine. That approach stretches your trial while still letting you learn what matters next. For instance, you might try a quick 10-second animation at lower quality first, then increase resolution or add effects for the final version once you're happy with the motion and composition. Return to the suite and switch over to Image. This is the image creation workspace, where many people spend a good portion of their trial credits. Just like in the video section, you'll see your balance and usage context as you work. Keep an eye on any cost callouts for generating images, creating variations, or enhancing outputs. A practical tip here is to iterate thoughtfully. Try a few targeted generations, review them carefully, and only then use additional credits to refine or enhance the versions you like most. This measured pace keeps you in control of your balance and prevents you from running out of credits too quickly, while still experimenting freely with styles, prompts, and creative options. To recap, your credits are visible from the top right via the diamond icon. You can review where they're going in the credit panel, and you'll spend them primarily in the video and image workspaces. With that awareness, you'll get clearer results, learn faster, and make every trial credit count. Being mindful of your trial credits helps you experiment efficiently, discover your preferred workflows, and confidently decide which outputs are worth investing in when you upgrade to a paid plan.